What if the oil you trust the most is quietly stealing years from your engine? Same car, same driver, same maintenance, yet one small choice can be the difference between 150,000 miles and 300,000. And here's the part most drivers never see coming. The thicker oil, the one people call safer, didn't win where it actually matters. Not in real traffic, not in daily driving, not over time. Stay with me because by the end, you'll rethink everything you've been told about engine oil. Why this test matters more than you think. The 5W-30 versus 5W-40 debate is everywhere. You've heard it, go thicker for protection or just follow the manual. But here's the truth most people miss. Engines don't live in perfect conditions. They live in stop-and-go traffic, short trips, heat cycles, and years of wear. That's where oil either protects or slowly fails. So instead of theory, this test followed one engine in real-world driving. Same fuel, same routes, same intervals. Only one thing changed: viscosity. First, 5W-30 full synthetic. Then 5W-40 full synthetic. No shortcuts, no early drains, just real data over time. Section 1. Why these two oils are so often confused. On paper, they look almost identical. Same cold rating, similar approvals, both considered safe. But once the engine reaches operating temperature, they behave very differently. 5W-30 flows faster, reduces internal resistance, and reaches critical components quicker. 5W-40 builds a thicker protective film and resists breakdown under sustained heat. Sounds like thicker should win, right? That's what most people assume. But engines don't wear in one condition. They wear across thousands of mixed conditions. Section 2. What we measured and why. This wasn't about opinions. We tracked oil temperature, viscosity stability, wear metals, and how the engine behaved across real driving, short trips, highway poles, traffic. And early in the test, one difference started to show up consistently: temperature. Section 3. Why small temperature changes matter. Oil doesn't suddenly fail. It degrades slowly. Heat speeds up oxidation, breaks down additives, and weakens protection. Even a small increase, repeated every day, adds up. In short trips where engines don't fully stabilize, the thicker 5W-40 held more heat early. It took longer to circulate, created more resistance, and built heat faster. It wasn't dramatic, but it was constant. Section 4. Flow versus film, the trade-off most people ignore. Every engine lives between two needs: fast flow and strong protection. 5W-40 delivered excellent film strength under long, high-load driving, but in everyday conditions, short commutes, stop-and-go traffic, it didn't reach that ideal state as often. 5W-30, on the other hand, flowed quicker, stabilized sooner, and protected earlier in the drive. And here's the uncomfortable truth: most engine wear happens before everything is fully warm. Section 5. Early used oil analysis. At first glance, both oils looked fine, no red flags, but the patterns told a different story. 5W-30 showed consistent wear numbers and stable behavior. 5W-40 performed well under highway use, but varied more during mixed driving. Slightly higher oxidation in short trips, nothing catastrophic, just less predictable. Section 6. Viscosity stability. Who held up better? By the end of the interval, the difference became clearer. 5W-30 stayed within its grade with minimal change. 5W-40 remained strong under ideal heat, but showed more variation depending on driving style. In simple terms, 5W-40 was powerful under perfect conditions. 5W-30 was reliable under real ones. Section 7. Wear metals. Consistency versus extremes. This is what mechanics care about most. Under steady highway driving, 5W-40 showed slightly lower wear, But in everyday use, where most engines spend their life, 5W-30 delivered more consistent results. And engines don't fail from one hard pull. They fail from uneven wear, repeated thousands of times. Section 8. The real issue, variability. This is where the winners started to emerge. 5W-40 depended heavily on how the car was driven. Long drives, it excelled. Short trips, it struggled to stay consistent. 5W-30, on the other hand, was predictable. Cold start, short trip, highway, it behaved the same. And in engine longevity, predictability reduces risk. Section 9. Why this matters more as engines age. As mileage increases, clearances grow, heat builds faster, and contamination rises. An oil that already struggles with consistency early on will struggle more later. This is where many engines quietly lose years of life, not from failure, but from gradual wear. Section 10. The overkill problem. Here's what surprised even experienced mechanics. 5W-40 wasn't bad, it was overkill for normal driving. It's designed for stress, towing, extreme heat, sustained load, but in daily commuting, it didn't deliver extra protection proportional to its downsides.